Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding the constant k for a relative extremum is actually super fast. We just need to use derivatives and solve for our unknown value quickly. First, find the derivative of the function. The derivative of k times the square root of x plus 1 over x is k over 2 root x minus 1 over x squared. Since we have a relative extremum at x equals 9, we set our derivative equal to 0. Now substitute 9 into every x to start simplifying the equation for our constant k. Solving this gives k over 6 equals 1 over 81. Multiply by 6 to find k equals 2 over 27, which is option B. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given info and check steps for success.